Time now to look at the weather report tonight. My name is Mollen Keyana. Now, we did see mostly sunny weather for much of central Uganda today. However, on the other half of northern Uganda, we're looking at rains earlier in the evening, mostly for the Karamoja region and West Nile. We also had mostly rainy conditions across the Elgon area, mostly areas within Mbale, and we could be seeing similar weather continuing into tonight. But also looking at a separate analysis, we still have part of the rain belt that is more to the northern parts of the country, and that is because we have a cut-off high pressure system over South Africa. What that is doing is push much of the rain belt north of our country. That explains the weather conditions, especially to the north and eastern Uganda. Now, that is also coupled with local effects where we're seeing mostly rainy conditions here and there for several places. Now, tomorrow in the morning, we're looking at rainy conditions forecast for central parts of northern of the Lake Victoria Basin, as well as parts of central, but much of central Uganda. We'll start off with sunny intervals. Now, looking at the eastern part of the country towards the Lake Victoria Basin, that is where we have parts of Jinja as well as Tororo. We're looking at those rains starting off the day, but much of Soroti also starting off with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Also looking at a mix of clouds and sunshine again for the western stretch. That will be across several places. And the northern half of the country, we will be starting off with those rains across the Karamoja region, and some of that will extend up to central northern Uganda, but the rest of the region will have sunny intervals. As we cross over into the afternoon, we do expect to have those rains continue across much of central Uganda, as well as the central part of Lake Victoria Basin. Kampala will be at 27, and those rains will be accompanied by thunder showers. And looking at eastern Uganda, we're looking at more rains developing over the area, also with thunder showers at a warm 30 degrees. That will be across Soroti. Now, the western part of the country will be seeing rains for midwestern Uganda across areas of Masindi at 28 degrees. And the rest of the region will have sunny intervals with a warm 30 degrees for Kasese and a chilly afternoon for Kabale Helens at 24 degrees. We're looking at those rains again with thunder showers across the Karamoja region and much of central northern Uganda, as well as the Kyoga region. We will be at a maximum of 29 for the Kyoga region. Karamoja will be at quite a warm 30 degrees. Now, looking at some of the cities across the world, we are forecasting sunny conditions for Cairo as well as Dubai. Quite a warm day for Dubai. Temperatures will go up to 40 degrees centigrade, and Nairobi will have mostly rainy weather. We're also likely to have a maximum of 27 degrees. That brings us to the end of tonight's weather report. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Mollen Keyana. I want to wish you a good night.